In the ever-evolving world of real estate investment, one thing remains constant: risk. It's the name of the game, and managing it is the key to success. Understanding market fluctuations is paramount. Real estate markets can rise and fall like the tide. Timing your investment wisely can maximize profits and minimize losses. But it's not just about the market. Property issues can also pose significant risks. Structural problems, zoning restrictions, or unexpected maintenance can turn a promising investment sour. Financing risks loom large as well. Interest rates can fluctuate, loan terms can change, and financial institutions can falter. And remember, diversification is your friend. Spreading your investments across different properties, areas, or even types of real estate can help mitigate risk. In the end, understanding your own risk ratio is key. It's not a gamble, it's an investment. Wise risk management in real estate is the path to financial growth and security. So step wisely, invest smartly, and let the world of real estate be your playground.